Hey crew, today's video will be smothered turkey necks, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, 1 yellow onion, turkey style gravy, chicken broth, sweet bell peppers, and turkey necks. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. And don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our smothered turkey necks video. Okay crew, so we're just going to cut up our vegetables first.
So amazing is the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated.
Alright crew, so we're gonna use some unsalted butter. We're gonna go in with 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're gonna go in with our yellow onion, orange and red sweet pepper. And we're gonna allow these to saute until they're fragrant. Also in the comment section, let us know how y'all been doing and what y'all been up to. And well, you know, with the onions and the peppers, they will kind of disintegrate, kind of cook down with the smothered turkey neck. So that pretty much will give it that extra flavor. So once these become fragrant and saute down, I'll bring y'all back. Alright cool, so onions and bell pepper have sauteed down, and I have our turkey necks here that I washed and cleaned. We're just gonna add them to the pot. And we're not trying to brown them, because most people brown their turkey necks, but hey, I'm just putting them in here and allow them to release some of that natural turkey flavor. Alright, so we got these in the pot. I'm gonna give them a stir. Then I'm gonna kind of let them cook down a little bit. And like I said, this will release some liquid, so we're not gonna add any liquid into it just as now. So we want the onions and the peppers to get acquainted with these turkey necks. Like, hey, how you doing? Yeah, how you doing? My name Red Pepper. What's your name? My name Turkey Neck. Yeah. They making love, and that's what you do when you cook. You cook with love. You know, let that food, you know, do a little thing. Let it do a little thorough thing. You know, let it make love up in that pot. Yeah. So I'm gonna allow this to cook down. And, oh, if y'all can smell this. You know, they say smell-o-vision, but hey, you need smell of camera and smell of phone. But baby, I promise y'all, it smells good. Gut with a T, not a D. Alright, y'all. Yeah, gut. Y'all hear the baby in the background. I'm in the queen back there, my little sweetheart. My little love bug. But yeah, we're gonna let this cook down some. Then I'll bring y'all back. We can add our liquid and seasoning. Okay, so we're gonna move along to the next step. We have 132 ounce of chicken broth, and we're gonna pour in here. And we're simply just gonna bring this to a boil, and we're gonna put the top on it, and we're gonna put it on a medium high heat, and we're gonna let it go 4 to 5 hours. Hey y'all, this is real life. Your boy forgot to add his seasoning, so hey, we gonna do it now. So I have. So we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. And 1.5 tablespoons of black pepper. Well, we'll just do 1 tablespoon. And if y'all notice, I'm not gonna add any salt because our chicken broth has sodium in it. So I'm gonna allow this to cook down, then I will taste it, and if I need salt, I will add some as we go. Okay, so our turkey necks came to a boil and I mixed in the seasoning. We're gonna put the top on it. We're gonna let it go medium, high heat for a couple hours. Okay, crew, so we gonna check our turkey necks. And Lord, look at here. The liquid has cooked down a lot, and that's what you want. And well, you don't want to stay on the thing. Stop it. That's what it's looking like so far. But yeah. Yeah. Woo. And if y'all can really see, it's starting to make its own little gravy as they smother down. So yeah. And I didn't add no flour. So I'm gonna add like a cup of liquid and let them cook some more. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of water. And I'm gonna turn the heat down on a medium-low heat. And we're gonna let them continue to cook down some. Okay, y'all, so our turkey necks been cooking 2 hours and 45 minutes. And this is what they look like. And like I said, I didn't put no flour or nothing on our turkey necks before I put them in the pot. The thickness comes from the onions and the peppers cooking down. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. Like, this is just the thickness. That's just the thickness of it. Like gravy already. And this is our turkey neck. And hold on 1 second, y'all. I got a fork. I'm about to show y'all. Look how tender they are. They just come right off the bone. With no problem. So yeah, that's our turkey necks, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of turkey gravy. We're gonna mix this in. And see how quick it went on to pick up the rest of the sauce. Look at that. And like I said, it don't want to act right. But like I said, y'all, it's super tender. So tender it fell off the spoon. But yeah, I'm gonna let this simmer for.
Knock that back on that spoon. Knock that over here. Knock that gravy in there. You about to spill that gravy.
No, I'm not.
Ooh, that look good. See, if I had that gravy right there that he keep messing with on a piece of bread, that's all I need. Just the gravy on this spoon right here. Look.
Okay, so I'm gonna let this simmer 15 more minutes. Then we'll fix up a bowl and let my baby try it. So y'all stay tuned.
You should have made your homemade biscuit. You see that right there? Pour that on a biscuit. Put that on a cracker, dude.
That's money, dude. Shout out to the stale cracker.
Stale cracker, boy. Be sleeping on them crackers. Ooh, them crackers and that gravy. Oh my goodness.
Hush, fatty. Alright, y'all, so this is our smothered turkey necks with rice, and we're gonna let Queen try this. She's gonna give y'all her honest opinion.
They good. They good, babe. It's tender. It's meaty. It's seasoned. It's not over seasoned. It's not salty, but it's seasoned.
Yeah, I didn't add no salt in this dish.
It's really good.
So I hope y'all try this recipe, y'all. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.